I-choose ako, Molelo. Molelo! I-choose ako. Molelo, Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Mama.
Ya Molelo ke siame. A ke batla. Ke a gana. To go away. In the night. What is the bet?
No.
Why were you betting? What were you betting? You were saying what and she was saying what?
I'm gonna owe $1,000 if we do, when we start to hang out. But if that happens,
You and who?
huh?
You and who?
Molelo, me and Molelo.
So she says you will get along and you say
I won't.
you will not get along with Molelo.
No.
Okay. What's the bet?
The bet is Angelo, when he's 25, 29, he is going to take his phone and call Molelo and Isahansam, yo bro, where you guys at? Let's hang. I got you. Right?
No, it will never happen.
Why? Why?
In dollars.
Why will it not happen?
Me and Molelo will never get along. We don't like each other.
Oh, you don't like him?
Not that much.
Saya? Left, right.
How are you? Good.
Excellent.
Yes.
Been here before.
Yeah, we had a chicken movie.
A chicken movie.
Yeah, with the knife.
Oh, the one you hated. The one with my French translation. Did you know they call it a chicken movie?
I remember there was a chicken.
It's the Timbuktu or whatever.
No. What is it?
In Mali, yes. Isn't the capital of Mali Timbuktu?
Yeah, but I don't think that's...
What was the chicken doing in there?
There was a crazy woman with chickens in the
Yeah, that's probably it.
But you're doing well.
Yeah.
I'm impressed.
Me too.
Good.
Yeah, very well.
Head northwest.
Yeah, Angelo was starving. It's a good thing I went to get something.
But